The Handyman here, and I just want to check in, make a quick intro just to let you guys know I've named the video 30 minutes to do a dishwasher, but you guys, a normal average DIYer can do a dishwasher in the same amount of time. I'm not a certified plumber. I learned on YouTube just like how you guys are watching me, hopefully, to learn how to replace a dishwasher. I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, turn off the breaker first. And then getting ready, put my gloves on. Safety first, clean first. Gotta plug up my phone, cause man, I get so many dang calls all day. Hell, it's hard to keep my phone charged. You wanna start off with the screws on the top. And it's usually just 2 screws on the top, maybe 2 screws, 1 on each side, on the left or right side of the dishwasher. Pull that guy out. Once you pull out the dishwasher, you want to go ahead and take out the plate. It's usually just 2 screws, 1 on each side. Take out the plate. And then, honestly, you can start wherever you want to. Water supply, you can start off with the electric. But I'm going to go ahead and start with the electric. And that's the silver box right there. It's usually a silver box covering the wires coming out. Even though there's wire nuts to it, it's just a safety precaution. Basically take out the 3 wire nuts. It's gonna be black on black, white on white, and then green on your common, on your ground, I mean. So once you get those wires and wire nuts out the way and loose from the grommet, you want to go to your water supply. And again, you can start off with your water supply or you do the electric first. It doesn't really matter. It's usually just a 45 angle elbow. Just grab your channel locks and just loosen that guy up, take it out. Go ahead and take out this, finish taking off the electric. A lot of times, like I said, there's a grommet right there, holding that electric line tight so it doesn't move around. Yank that guy out. Once you get that out the way, you want to go ahead and take out your drain hose. It's usually just a nut on there or a screw, and this is a screw, a small bracket. Loosen that guy up, take the hose out, and that's it. You successfully removed the dishwasher. And now back to repeating the process with the new dishwasher. I was trying my hardest not to scratch this lady's floor. Thank you. All right, gonna hurry up, get this new guy in there. I sped up this video. I know I said 30 minutes. I did a lot of editing and sped it up and got it down to 10 minutes, but yeah, didn't take long. To me, it wasn't that hard at all. I mean, I've changed so many in my past years, starting my handyman journey, but the process is really simple. So right now, starting off with the water supply. Usually that's shorter than the electric line, so it's a lot easier to install that first, get that hard out the way, because you're gonna need all the comfortability and all the angles you can get. So screw that guy in, and then get back to the electric, poke it through the hole, wire nut your black on black, white on white, and your green on ground. Get those guys in there. As you see me so focused, locked in. Yes, sir. Get those bad boys wire nutted. And looks like I'm ready to put that drain hose back in the hole and back connected to the disposal. And usually there's a hole underneath where the dishwasher is at. And it goes right under the faucet, right straight to the disposal, as you see right there. put you guys right here in the corner. I'll sit you guys right here so you guys can see me. All that moving around, sorry about that. But yeah, get the bracket back in there. Get the hose back in place. You want to push it as much as until you can't push it no more. Tighten up that screw. Then do a little pull test. Make sure that you tighten it up securely. Yes, sir. Ready to go. So the next step is we got the electric. We got the water supply. I'm about to tighten it up real good just before I put it in, just so I can guarantee there's no leaks whenever I run the dishwasher and install it. Because once you get it in there, you're gonna have to take it out to tighten that water supply back up. So again, about to put it in, and right there, that's the insulation. You don't want to get any of the lines fried or anything fried. So this is prevents fires, and remember to always put that on top of your dishwasher. All right, wiggle that guy in. Keep tucking in the insulation as you keep pushing in. Almost got it. And then also when you get it in there, you want to open and close the door fully, and make sure that the sides don't get caught up with the wood surrounding. Once you get that out the way, you want to take out all the packaging, of course. Get that out the way for the tenant. Screw the two brackets back up. It's just 2 screws. Put them in there. And getting that one side, and then we're gonna head to the other side. And again, you want to open and close the door before you do this process, this step right here, because once you put it up there, it's gonna be hard to adjust it left to right, or just adjust it to how you can without it hitting the wood. So be mindful of that. I'm having a little trouble right there, getting that screw up there. Come on, buddy. Yeah, nope. Come on, man. I know you got it in you. I had to prop my leg up and everything. Yeah, that screw gave me trouble. All right, got it. Awesome. Open, close. Now it's time for a leak check. You want to turn your water valves back on. And then you want to, well, I noticed that before I went to go do my leak check, so I was like, let me just go and scratch this off. And then I didn't show this in the video, but the blue, people prefer to keep it. It saves their dishwasher from being scratched up and whatnot. But I would preferably take mine out. I like the stainless steel showing and matching with my appliances. But all right, turn the brake on, kicked it on, and now it's time to get down there and see if we got us a leak. Again, you want to dry that area up completely where you screwed in the supply line. And just make sure everything is super dry, so when you do your leak check, and if you feel any type of moisture or any water, you know you have to tighten it up. And I didn't record this, but I did go back and put Teflon around that supply line. So people and plumbers, please don't attack me. But anyways, dishwasher's good. Replace the handman out.
In my hands on my face, and I'm still on my feet. To the top. In my hands on my face, and I'm still on my feet.